Silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We remain in positive MACD. We're off of overbought levels with the RSI. We did bounce right off the 50 moving average, this yellow line, at a price of $23.30. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD, slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we remain in slightly negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for is less than 1% my portfolio. My long entry is at $20.61, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $22.22. My stop loss is at $19.95. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $22.45, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $21.30, and my stop loss is at $23.16. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, and as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, and a 50% chance to climb between 4 to 9%. To the downside has a 25% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.